Knights on the belt, marching in time. Copper coils overhead, spinning their rhyme. The furnaces roar like dragons unchained. Red circuits bloom where the silence once reigned. Inserters dance with a clack and a hiss. Grab and release in mechanical bliss. Beacons pulse bright, modules sing their song. Speed 3, prod 3, the night is long. Listen to the hum of machinery. Steel heart beating in perfect symmetry. Biters may scream at the edge of the dark, but we answer with lasers and 1 million sparks. This is our world, our endless design. The factory must grow. One more line, one more line, one more line, one more line. Blue belts whisper secrets the yellows once knew. Trains scream past stations in schedules of blue. 1,000 robotic arms reach for the sky, building the rockets that teach us to fly. Oil cracks in the night like thunder confined. Tar, stick and sulfur, the blood and the mind. From single smelter to planet-wide grid, we feed the machine everything that we did. Listen to the hum of machinery. Cold iron lullaby, sweet and scary. No sleep for the builder, no rest for the hand. The factory must grow across all